ASUS ROG Strix Scar 18 2025 G835 review. So let's check the full specs and the performance breakdown. So what this laptop is a gaming workstation laptop with an 18-inch design display from ASUS's ROG lineup, and the 2025 G835 configuration pairs the next-gen Intel Core Ultra 9 275HX CPU with a powerful NVIDIA GeForce, which is the RTX 5090 laptop GPU. So now let's check its key hardware specs. So as you can see for the CPU, it is the Intel Core, which is the Ultra Core 275HX. And for the performance, as you can see here, if we add the 5090 GPU laptop, then update it with a RAM of around 16 GB, you can see the specs performance totally with around 94 performance, 79 display, 100% for gaming, 60% for battery life, and 31 for portability, which is a total of nano review score of 89, which has a test and specifications. So as you can see, this is its performance. Now for the test and specifications, as you can see here, it weighs around 3.48 kg and has a dimension of around this inches right here and an area of around over 1,000 centimeters squared. Now for the color, it is black, and for the cooling system, there may be active vapor chamber, liquid metal, and there are 3 fans, but the noise level can be very noisy. Now let's change the amount of storage for the configuration. Let's say we will choose 632 GB with this GeForce RTX 5080, then update the configuration. Now then you will see the total performance. So as you can see, it has more performance because of the higher RAM storage. It has 91 compared to the 5090 but less RAM storage. Now let's set up for 64 GB and then update it. And let's see the nano review score and the total performance. As you can see, there's no much changes because you didn't change the GeForce or the GPU. Now let's change it to 5090, then update it and see how much performance it will be giving us. Now as you can see, it has more battery life and less on the display and more on the connectivity and less on the portability. So overall, this laptop might be top tier gaming and best for rendering performances, but it can be really large and heavy, and it can be a battery life limited under load. So for the most powerful and future-proof gaming workstation laptop you can buy today, it is definitely one of those. So if your use case is modest and casual games, then I recommend a different laptop. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification